Welcome to News Brief on Acholi Pro Evo TV. Here I'm taking you into the 5 dimension into the brewing conflict between the Uganda People's Defense Force and the people of South Sudan, that is in Magwi County, of which it is Acholi people of Southern Sudan. Now I've categorized this in 5 dimensions. The first dimension that I'm looking at is territorial dispute and border encroachment. What you need to know about this territorial dispute and border conflict is concerns have been raised by the Acholi community about the UPDF encroaching on South Sudanese territory. Confirmation by Benjamin Paul Olum, Commissioner of Magwi County, about the UPDF's encroachment creating fear and panic among the Acholi communities in South Sudan. Then the second one, which is number 2, that is community impact. What impact has this alleged encroachment had on the community? Well, reports have come in of UPDF patrolling South Sudanese territory that they are harassing and threatening the farmers. Another thing also which you need to know under the community impact is statements from Ojok Francis, who is the coordinator for the Pajok community, about the harassment and insufficient protection for the farmers. Not only that one, the third category or the third dimension that I'm looking at is government and official responses. Has there been government and official response? Yes, it has been. Statements from Los Lobong Lejore, Governor of Eastern Equatoria State, about the responsibility of the national government in handling international border issues has also been issued. Then the second one here is the governor's call for calm and assurance that the state government is working with the national government to address the situation. So the governor of Equatoria is also calling the community to be very calm because the state governor are working hard to address the concern with the national. Well, the fourth one is military and security issues. What you need to know about the military and security issues, there's a mention of the establishment of UPDF military barracks near Poge, that is Poge, which is a place in Magwi County. And also the impact of border encroachment on local security and inability of local forces to manage the situation effectively. So the local forces has failed to manage the situation effectively, according to the reports which is coming. The last one, which will also bring us to the source of this information. I know some people, they always want to try to act negative by not believing on certain things. Is you can get and check the source. The fifth one, which is communication and reporting, efforts by Radio Tamazuj, TAMAZUJ, I think it is written, I think this language is Arabic, Radio Tamazuj, to contact SSPDF spokesperson, Major General Lual Rai Kohang, for comments highlighting communication challenges. So that is it. Radio Tamazuj has tried to contact SSPDF spokesperson. So thank you so much. That is the latest allegations, the latest development coming in suddenly from our people in South Sudan, that is Magwi County. You know, Magwi is dominantly settled in by the Acholi people. Thanks. Nice time.